Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. This Love Safari. It's Saturday, man. It's Saturday early morning, but we putting in work, we putting in videos, man. We taking first steps. This is gonna be a quick video on how I made my first $100 online with ClickBank. This is how I made my first $100 online with affiliate marketing. I'm gonna just show you guys how I made my first money, man, for free too. I put up zero money. You just basically you put in a lot of work and then you hopefully get some sales. This isn't a way that I can say you should actually grow or you should, plan to have a business around, but this is a nice way to get your feet wet, man, just so you can, see that the possibility is there, but it takes a lot of time. It still takes a lot of knowledge, but I mean, it can be done, no money up front, and you just got to basically have internet. You have to create a ClickBank account and you have to have YouTube. And that's easy, but I'll show you guys real quick. Let's go. Let's hop in the video. Bam, bam. Alright, so as you guys can see, this is ClickBank right now. These are different categories. I've already logged in or whatever. This is just the marketplace, and on the side here they have different categories, and each one of these categories have affiliate offers. So I'm just gonna go quickly. I don't know if I'm skip ahead and edit this out, but I'm just gonna go quick ahead. Health and fitness is dope. It's a lot of videos on YouTube about health and fitness, so it's a nice way to stay. Mental health is an area where I guess it's popular right now, so we'll stay with mental health. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to sort. These are all affiliate offers. What we're going to do is we're going to sort these by gravity, and that's basically, the gravity is how many sales each one of these have had, in the last week or month. I forget the time, but this one, the gravity is 14, which isn't great. You probably want this a little higher. You can go search the other categories to see what the highest gravity is, but since this is the highest in this category, we're just gonna roll with it. The unexplainable store. Okay, we're gonna see what this does. All right, cool. This is what the clients see when they click on your link. I don't know what this is, but this looks nice. Audio brainwave stimulation and crystals. All right, cool, that works. What we're gonna do is we're just gonna do promote. You can go into it. You don't want to promote something that you don't really fall in love with, but I mean, I like the way this site looks. I like the colors. Orange is really in right now. I don't know what this site is about. I just know it's about audio brainwave simulation and crystals. Like I said, I wouldn't do this now, but what I was doing when I was first coming on, just to see if this stuff was real, it didn't matter what the offer was, man. I would just create a link for it and go promote it. So I'm going to show you guys that real quick just so you can see what happens. Unexplainable store, brainwave recordings, mental health. I'm gonna copy just certain parts of the description. I'm not gonna copy it yet, actually. I'll search for it. I'm gonna search for it on Google just so we have it. And then I'm gonna click promote. Promote. This is gonna actually create the link that you're gonna use to create affiliate offers. I'm gonna go to create. This is the actual link. You can use either one. I'm going to do this one. I'm just going to take that one. And then what I'm going to go to is tinyURL. This is going to shorten the link so you can actually, it doesn't look all nasty and weird looking, Alright, so what we're going to do is add tiny. No, we're not going to do that. We're just going to make a long URL, a short URL. Make my tinyURL. This is this one right here. Copy the toolbar. Alright, cool. So you copied it. We're just going to keep it here just in case. We're going to need that page later on. That's a different YouTube thing. This is the page we don't need that anymore. Brainwave. Alright, so since we searched brainwave recordings, blah, 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 we're going to go here. Wealth, medication, blah, blah, blah. We're going to click this one. We're going to let the ads load up or whatever. I don't have a pop-up blocker, so I actually see my ads. Usually I watch the ads if it's a video that I rock with, if it's a subscriber or a content creator that I actually know and I rock with, I watch the ads. But this one, we're going to see 51,000 views 1 year ago. It's not too new. So I'm going to search. The way I do it is I search down here, because these are ones that actually they're going to be suggested. So these are pretty popular ones. You can go search and go back, but I'm going to stay on this side because these are up next, and these are videos that people, YouTube, the algorithm has believed and they've come to the conclusion that these would be, you know, in the same category as this video, just a little bit more popular, hopefully. All right, so I'm gonna check this one out. This one has 5 million views. It was last year. Still comments. We're gonna sort the comments by the newest. So we want to see if this video is still getting traction. 1 hour ago, 3 hours ago, 11 hours ago. All right, cool. All right, cool. I don't care what this video is. Like I said, like back early, like I wouldn't do this now, but back when I was first starting out, I didn't care what I was doing. I was just creating videos. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put amazing video, awesome content, amazing video, awesome content. Please check out this link. It helped me through this stage, through this understanding. I'm just gonna put anything, I don't know, this, through this understanding. I'm typing weird because my desk is set up like awkward, so don't worry. I'm gonna fix all that. I'm gonna fix all that. What I'm gonna do is trick. I'm gonna put asterisks on the beginning and at the end, and I'm gonna paste my link. And then I'm gonna copy my link. And this is, like I said, this is a douchey move. It's a douchey move, but it worked, you know. And you see how the video came and it basically bolded the statement. That's because I put those two asterisks, I put quotations, but it's the stars. And hopefully somebody's gonna come check out this video, click on my link, and bam, 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 bam. I get some money. All right. And what you can do is you can do that for multiple videos. Like I said, this is a douchey way of doing things. Don't do this. This is a douchey way of doing things. You know, watch the video, take a couple of looks, and you could just go down and do this a couple of times. Do this for multiple videos. And it's like I said, it's a douchey way of doing things, but when you first getting on, man, I know how it is. You need traction. You need to see that this is real. So, like I said, this is the category that I went to is, you know, under the marketplace, under ClickBank. But like I said, you can go and do this for any video. You can do this for anything. Games would kill it. Gaming console repair. We're just gonna Google this on, not Google this. We're gonna search this on YouTube just so we can see. All right, we're gonna just search gaming console and repairs. All these repairs, and we're gonna go filter. We're gonna do view count. View count. Look at this. 300,000 views in 12 years. I know that doesn't sound great, but the thing is, watch, PS2. We don't want to do PS2. We're going to do, what's a popular one now? PS4, right? All right, cool. We're going to do this filter, view count. All right, it's not too many. How to fix your PS4 repair guide. This was 4 years ago. Let's click on this guide. And then we're going to click on comments are cool, but let's sort them by newest. 1 month ago, 2 months ago, 4 months ago, people are still getting action. You're still getting action, you know. So this is a good one. So you could just go here, go back to your marketplace, you know, console repairs, and PS3 light fix it, PS3. And what you can also do is search by the actual link that, you know, the offer that you're trying to promote. So like this is a PS3 light fix. So you can go back and you can do PS3 light fix. And this is exactly, look, red light, blinking light, blah, blah, blah. And you can go through it, 38,240. All these videos are still probably getting action. They're probably all still getting action, you know. Sort by. We're going to do newest first. And look, 1 year, it's not too new, but still, you can do this. You can find videos over here that are still, are more current, I'm sure. Red light CPU guide. I'm sure this one's going to be probably more recent. 2012. All right, cool. Maybe not. But you guys know what I'm saying. But just go down here, grab one of these links from the marketplace, fix this link, promote this link, bam, copy it down in the description and go. And this is, like I said, this is a douchey way of doing things, but this is just to get your feet wet so you can see this is actually, you know, happening. And what happens is when somebody signs up through your link, it doesn't matter if they click on it once, they click on it 100 times, if 1,000 people, it doesn't matter. Just as long as somebody clicks on your link and they go and they sign up, you get a commission. I think it was 75% of whatever the offer is. And what you can do is you can go back to ClickBank, and ClickBank keeps a tally, a record of your commissions. And once you get, I think the threshold, you can set it to like $100. Once you get $100, like in affiliate marketing commissions, they pay you. You know, and all you're doing is posting comments on YouTube videos. Like I said, it's a douchey way of doing things. I wouldn't suggest doing it now if you are an established marketer. But if you're at the beginning, and like I said, this video, this channel, my whole goal is to help people take their first steps. This is my first step. This was my very first step. When I went to sleep and I woke up and I saw $100 in my account, how do you want to be paid? It's a life changer. Like, I didn't do anything but go to, like, post a couple of things and go to sleep. It's crazy, but this can happen. You gotta, it's, you know, better strategies, different, you know, offers, better niches and all that stuff. But this is the first step. You guys gotta grab the first step and run with it. I'm not gonna try to like map out every single thing with every single video. Like, this is just the beginning. Next video will be more in depth. But, you know, like I said, this is what it is. You know, just take your first step. This is Level Up with Safari. Link in the descriptions for whatever affiliate links that I'm offering, that I'm promoting. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's get hungry. Take your first step. Let's go.